What's up, everybody? This is Hockey Junkie 99. I'm about to break 3 boxes of 07-08 OPC Premier Hockey. This break is brought to you by blowoutcards.com. Cheapest prices on the web. So if you ever need anything, sports, non-sports, you can buy it there. Alright, we're going to do 1 box at a time, obviously, so let's get started. This is my Christmas/birthday present from the love of my life. So, and I'm not worth it, she says. There we go. First box. Very skinny pack. Alright, here we go. First card, base card. Joe Sakic, number to 299. Another base card in the back. Jason Arnott, gold base, number to 75. That's that. First card is a redemption. First hit is a redemption. Premier Rookies Auto Quad Jersey, number to 299 of Brian Little. A no-name rookie as my rookie in Quad Jersey. Brian Little. Alright. Next card is number 99. Wayne Gretzky. Manufactured patch, number 25 of 25. Not too bad, I guess. Low print run. Okay. Next is a fancy looking card. It's gold. It's a Marty Turco. Penmanship auto. That's the first one I've pulled of these. It's numbered 81 of 100. And the last card is Thomas Holmstrom. Triple jersey, number 96, number to 100. 72, I'm sorry, it's number to, 100. 72 of 100. Alright, there you go. That's pack number 1. These cards will probably be on eBay. So far it was the worst of the 3, obviously, because it was only the first one that I opened. And eBay, Hockey Junkie 99, should be posted tonight. Be right back with the next box.